This is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see time spent on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! On Instagram, you can see the average amount of time you spend on Instagram within the last 7 days. Time spent on Instagram starts when you open the app and ends when you close it or switch to using another app on your device. So to see your spend time on Instagram, you can open your Instagram, of course. Tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on Settings and Privacy. You can see there is an option, time spent. Tap on that. You can tap on time spent. Now, here's the time spent on Instagram. The daily average time that you spend per day using the Instagram app on this device in the last week. Now you can tap on this. You can see how much hours that you spend on Instagram on Thursday, on Friday, Saturday, and until today. So here's your daily average time. You can set break reminder on this. I've made the video in quiet mode and daily limit. This is the amount of time that you spend on average using Instagram each day over the last 7 days. So that is how to see time spent on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!